Want to know a super simple way to boost your favorite Roblox games and discover more like them? Let's dive into how you can easily like a game directly from your Roblox mobile app. It's a fantastic way to show your support for developers and tell the Roblox algorithm what you love to play. First things first, open up your Roblox application on your smartphone. You'll land on your home screen, which usually showcases popular or recommended games. Now, find a game you're interested in playing. Tap on its thumbnail to head over to its dedicated game page. This is where all the juicy details about the experience are displayed. On the game page, you'll see various things like screenshots, a description, and other players' reviews. Look closely near the game's title or just below the main image. See that little thumbs up icon? That's your like button. It's usually a bright, positive color, like yellow, when it's not yet liked. To show your support, simply tap on that thumbs up icon. Once you tap it, it will change color, usually to blue or a darker shade, to let you know you've successfully liked the game. It's that easy. Liking games does more than just make you feel good. It actually helps the Roblox platform understand your preferences. This means the more you like games, the better Roblox will get at recommending similar experiences to you. You might even see a section on your Discover page saying because you like game name €. That's the algorithm working its magic thanks to your likes. Plus, you're directly contributing to the popularity and visibility of games made by talented developers. And hey, if you change your mind, you can always tap the button again to unlike the game. But why would you do that when you can support great experiences? So, go forth and spread the love. Liking games on Roblox Mobile is a small action with a big impact. Happy gaming.